So hey everyone, welcome back to the quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can boost your audio qualities recorded from your cheap mics to some podcast mics like quality using Adobe website that's totally free for you to use. Now, in order to do this, just simply open any of the browser you have and open a fresh page. Now here you have to search for Adobe Audio Enhancer. Once you do that, just simply open this first website that appear right in front of you. Now it may ask you to require for sign in, and once you upload your file it will enhance your audio like insane. You can check the example here as well,
I'm in a conference room
and now it the enhanced ones.
with the window open, and it's pretty echoey.
You can check the difference between both the audios, and it's the free plan contains a limited of audio, that's 500 minutes of audio a day, but that's more than enough for you. All right, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.